Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Adidas deals on DealSeek. To find Adidas deals on DealSeek, you need to follow this step. So firstly open any of the web browser and in the top there's an address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. So once you get into this official homepage of this DealSeek, what you need to do is you need to browse the search bar in the top right. Here what you need to do is you need to type down Adidas and select enter. Here you can find the search results and you can open any deal that you're interested in. You can select one of the shoes of the Adidas and here you can also select this view deal on Amazon. And after that you can proceed to it. This is it. This is how you can get Adidas deals on DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.